Today, we're talking about the Aura Pro V2s from OPT7. Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven with 137 Adventures, and in today's video we are talking about the Aura Pro V2s from OPT7 with navigation. Now, when you receive your package, you're going to have your informational card inside. Don't throw this away because it's going to have your barcode for your app that you're going to need later. You're going to have product features. In this case, it's going to be the navigation. It'll come with two boxes. Inside these two boxes are your power cables, your LED strips, and your extension wires, a banger sticker. And then it's going to have your thank you card from the company for you choosing them as your lighting solution.
Now that we're under the dash, we need to pull the two 7mm bolts out, and the panel should come out fairly easy. We're going to need to tap into an ignition switch fuse, so I recommend grabbing your owner's manual to locate the power distribution center. For the Ram TRX, it will be page 106. F66 is a 10 amp fuse that we're going to be tapping into, and it's located at the very bottom of your power distribution center. The kit from OPT7 does not supply you with the ATR fuse tap, which are commonly seen on newer Mopar vehicles, so a quick trip to AutoZone is needed. I also picked up a voltage meter. Now it's time to mount the control box. Using the included alcohol wipe, clean the surface thoroughly. By completing the circuit, you should have power to the lights. Once you confirm your wiring is correct, use a butt splice crimp connector, crimp the wires together, and don't forget your heat shrink. There's two ways to go about this installation. The kit comes with 4 strips, and if you want to connect all 4, then you use this Y-splitter. And if you don't want to use all 4 strips, then all you have to do is just plug in your left and your right into the main control box. For this installation, we're going to use all 4 LED strips. At this time, we're going to grab our extensions and run them through the center console to the opposite sides. Now that we have our LED strips mounted where we want them, it's time to put the truck back together.
Now that we have everything connected, we're just waiting for nightfall. I'm excited to see the Aura navigational features and the light settings.
After you've fully installed the lighting kit, download the new improved OPT7 Connect app. Ensuring that your Bluetooth is on, connect to your Pro V2s. Located at the top of the screen, slide to on, and that will give you access to your light changing features, door assist, and different modes. To access your maps, click the 3 lines at the top left of your screen and type in the destination you'd like to go.
After 1,000 feet, turn left onto South Decatur Boulevard. Now turn left. Route recalculation. After 700 feet, turn right and then turn left. Now turn right and then turn left.
Next, we're going to test out the speed limit feature. Anytime that you go over the speed limit, it will give you a visual notification, and we're going to check that out now.